Hello guys, I went all in MEDA. I don't care what will happen, but sometimes we have to take risk. If a company like MEDA is in such a discount, why should I wait? Exactly these are the times in which you can make most profits and outperform the market. Why should I wait? Why are you waiting? And I'm honest, the money that I use right now to invest is not money which I have. I didn't leverage, but this is money which is on my vacation accounts. In normal cases, I will use exactly this, 550 Swiss francs for vacation. But in this time, I'm not on vacation and I need it to invest and go all in MEDA. And as you can see, the money is already on my account. I'm at almost 23,000 and my journey is going on. My unrealized profit is already going back up, and we have right now in investing things happening which are not usual. FOMO is really hard. And as you can see, MEDA is right now a stock which I have with my biggest loss. And if you can buy MEDA under 600 USD per stock, it is pretty cheap. Why should I wait until my slavery salary is coming back again and I'm able to invest? It will maybe go up to their all-time high and even crack it. So for that performance, I use money which I shouldn't use. So in this case, I will use all the money that I have left, which is 720 USD, and will get me around 1.25 shares of MEDA. And just the future will tell us if it was worth all the risk that I did right now. And I buy the stock pretty early in the morning. The first thing that I'm doing is buying MEDA and going all in. And I have already around 5 shares of MEDA. And let's see if everything is worth the time and the effort that we are doing. And I just want to tell you, something is pretty simple. If I would have a lot more money, I would invest pretty heavy right now in MEDA. And with the job, it is pretty hard to have a lot of money aside, which you could use right now to invest heavily. I was in this situation already 3 or 4 times. I wanted to buy a lot of stocks, but I had to wait for my salary. And the only way out is to building your own empire, building your own company, have a little bit more of money if you are successful, leverage your company, produce something one time and sell it unlimited around the world and get rich quick. You don't have to wait until you are 50 or 60. Try to get early into retirement. And in retirement, you are not healthy anymore. You don't want to go out anymore. You don't have the energy and just want to relax. You are happy if you didn't wake up sick. So nobody of you can tell me that it is worth to wait until you are 50. Today is the best time that you have in your life. You are maybe the healthiest version of yourself. You have maybe the most energy right now. And I don't understand why so many people are waiting. I figured out a lot of things. I read so many books. I found all the pieces, but I'm still not able to put them together. This would be a part in which a mentor could help me, or a friend who's further, or a colleague who's further, maybe a family member, but I don't have it. But this is not an excuse. I don't wait. I don't sit and wait. I try to rescue myself. There's no way that I won't be successful. If you have the fire in you, and don't stop, who should hold me? I create my own day, and it's just a matter of time until I find a way to get out of the 9 to 5, build my own thing, earn a lot of money, invest even more money, and live with the compounded money. So the result is you don't have to wait until you are 30 or try to figure out a chance like we have it right now and try to outperform the market, time the market, which are all wrong things because nobody of us know what will happen in the future and the next couple of weeks or month. You can read whatever company insight you want, but at the end you have to have luck and maybe your risk get rewarded. Hopefully you develop yourself as well and can see the improvements day by day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.